Hello students, today we are going to discuss Class 8 Rachna Sagar book, English Multi-Skill Course book, Unit 2, Section A Very Old Man with Enormous Wings. A part, answer the following questions. Question number 1, describe the weather at the beginning of the story. Answer, weather was cloudy and stormy. The sea and the sky were ash grey in color, and the beaches were muddy. Even at noon, the visibility was low. Question number 2. What did Pelayo see in the courtyard? Why is it called a nightmare? Answer. In the courtyard, Pelayo heard a groaning sound. As he neared the spot, he saw a very old man lying face down in the mud who was unable to get up despite having enormous wings. Question number 3. What happened when Father Gonzaga arrived? Answer. Father Gonzaga talked to the creature in Latin. Receiving no response, he was suspicious. He noticed that it looked human and had parasite infested wings. He concluded that it was a devil disguise. Question number 4. Why was the couple happy despite what the priest had said? Answer. The couple was happy because curious people came to visit the bird for a fee of 5 cents. In less than a week, their rooms were crammed with money and the love of waiting pilgrims stretched to the horizon. Question number 5. What changes came about when the child began going to school? Answer. When the child began going to school, the angel started dragging itself out and made some clumsy attempts for a flight. It would flap its wings awkwardly and sometimes entered in the kitchen. Question number 6. What did Alessandra see from the kitchen window? Answer. Alessandra saw the angel in its first attempts at flight. His clumsy attempts dug furrows in the vegetable patch while flopping awkwardly. Then he gained altitude and flew over the last houses till he was a dot in the horizon. B section. Read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. Number 1. The simplest among them thought that he should be named Mayor of the World. A part. Who does he refer to here? Answer. The bird. B part. Who are them in this line? Answer. People and the priests who came to see. C part. Why did they want to make him the Mayor of the World? Answer. As the crowd was making decisions about the future of the angel, some suggested that he should be made Mayor of the World. Second question. The parish priest had his first suspicion of an impostor when he saw that he did not understand the language of God or know how to greet his ministers. A part. What is the name of the parish priest? Answer. Father Gonzaga. B part. Which language does the language of God refer to? Answer. Latin. C part. Write a synonym for impostor. It's pretender. Now question number 3. A spectacle like that, full of so much human truth, was bound to defeat without even trying that of a haughty angel. A part. What does the word spectacle refer to here? Answer. It referred to the travelling show in the town wherein the girl had been changed to a spider for disobeying her parents. B part. What was bound to be defeated by the spectacle? Answer. The attraction for the angel in Pelayo's courtyard was bound to be defeated by the spectacle. C part. What was the consequence of the defeat? The consequence of the defeat was that people's attention was shifted from the angel to the new spectacle in the town, and Pelayo's courtyard was left empty. Question number 4. Pelayos threw a blanket over him and extended him the charity of letting him sleep in the shed, and only then they did notice he had a temperature at night. And what was delirious with the tongue twisters of an old Norwegian? A part. Who does him refer to in these lines? Answer. The bird or the angel. B part. Why is the act of letting him sleep in the shed an act of charity? Answer. Letting the bird sleep in the shed is considered as an act of charity because it was a time when the bird could scarcely eat and only few feathers were left. It was helpless and needed the rest. C part. What is the rational explanation for the feverish condition and the strange Norwegian speech? Answer. The bird had undergone evolution and was developing feathers to fly off. That is why he had fever and it could not speak. Now C part. State which of the following statements are true or false. Number 1. The old woman said that creature was an angel. It's true. Number 2. Father Gonzaga sent a mail to Rome. False. Third part. The bird was uncomfortable with the oil lamps and the candles. True. The bird ate the mothballs. False. Fifth. At the beginning of December, the bird grew some feathers. True. Thank you. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.